Namaste everybody. My name is Dr. Krishnamurthy. I am an Ayurvedic practitioner at Chikbalapur district, Karnataka. And also from the day one, I am working as a medical officer for the treatment of the corona patients. And also I am working along with the government for the statistical collection of the corona data. So many of our doctors have explained very well about the treatment aspects and what are the future plans should be there and what are the medicines available in Ayurveda very well. So today I will explain a very important facts what we have noticed during the 2 months of the corona pandemic. As it is a new disorder, so we should know how long the period of the disease will be and what are the long term procedures we have to follow personally and also national wide. The first thing I point out is the secondary and asymptomatic transmission of the coronavirus. In India, from the last 2 months, there are about 13% of the cases where asymptomatic patients are diagnosed with the corona positive thing. So this indicates in future there may be a lot of asymptomatic cases, but there may be positive cases of the corona. And also we have noticed a very important thing is around 22% of the cases in India are tested, first test are negative for corona, and after second and third test they have come to positive stage. This indicates that a person having good immunity will have no symptoms until his immunity level will come down. So the very important factor we have to follow is improving the immunity of the person is the key treatment for the treatment prevention of corona. And also there may be a long standing, according to the statistics, there are few long standing effects of corona on the other organs, body organs also. That study is going on, and in the future days the results will come out. So prevention of the corona is of three categorized. The first thing, that's sadvrata, that what we have to follow. The second one, immunity, the immunity of the persons should be increased. And the third one is social behavior. In future also, how persons, medical staff or her doctor, how he should treat, how he should diagnose the corona patients in future, where there may be asymptomatic line of treatment is present. And also very important thing is Ayush Department of India has taken a very good initiative, and it is collecting all the data from the scholars how Ayush can be effectively implemented in prevention and curing of the coronavirus. So this is a very important time for Ayush fraternity of the whole India, whole country, how we can contribute to the Ayush department and for the prevention of corona. And also this is the right time for prevention and showing the power of Ayush in the medical field. So I hope all of our doctors and Ayush faculty will work together for this, and corona will be controlled very soon, and we hope for a better and healthy India. Thank you one and all. Thank you.